This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, October 29th. Stock index futures coming under some pressure in recent days as the global economic recovery seems to be a bit more in question. However, today we have seen a bit of a recovery with two of the three economic reports coming in stronger than expected, especially the GDP coming in at a very large increase. Jobless claims coming in smaller than expected, but the home sales index coming in weaker. Nevertheless, some recovery in the indices. Moving over to the currency markets, we're seeing additional gains in the dollar index as the flight to quality influence continues to dominate in the financial markets, including the currencies. Also, we have the European Central Bank at their policy meeting today, keeping rates unchanged. The Bank of Japan at their meeting also doing the same, keeping policies as they had been. And yesterday, the Bank of Canada keeping their key interest rate unchanged at 25 basis points. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, really not that good of a performance. Somewhat higher initially on flight to quality buying, but a move back to steady with the economic reports here in the U.S. on balance coming in stronger than expected. In advance of the elections next week, it will be the influence that dominates of political uncertainty. That means flight to quality moves will probably remain between now and then. However, after the elections are out of the way, I think it will be the dominant influence that comes back into the forefront. That is the low interest rate environment. That will be dollar bearish, supportive to stock index futures, and bearish for the long end of the interest rate futures curve, the 30-year bonds. But between now and then, I think this is a very good time to limit size or stand aside in the financial markets. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.